Welcome to Java Forum. So in this video, I am going to show you how to delete the user with home directory in GUI mode in AlmaLinux 9 operating system. So first go to settings, users, unlock, type the root password. So here you can see that two users are there. So I am going to delete the user called Java Forum. You can see a remove user button is enabled. So delete all the files. Okay, so I am deleting with user and it's with the home directory. Okay, all the configuration file related to this user also will be deleted. Okay, see here, home directory for that user has got deleted. So let me verify by logging off. So I am logging off. See here, only one user is there. So that user called Java forum is got deleted. So make use of this feature if you don't know the command to delete the user.